Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore SMS icon to home screen on Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you had a SMS up right here on your home screen and you deleted it by accident and the settings app appeared right here, I'll show you how to fix it. So basically, open up your app drawer and find the SMS or messages app, click and hold it and drag it back right here. So basically that's it. That's how you restore SMS icon to home screen on Google Pixel 8. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.